Welcome to the market. Today, we will learn simple English words for everyday shopping. Follow me to see how we buy fresh food and check prices easily. First, I need to get a trolley for my items. It helps me carry heavy groceries without any effort. Now my hands are free, so let us start shopping.
I always wipe the trolley handle before using it. Keeping things clean and sanitized is a healthy habit. Now my shopping cart is ready for action. I am looking at the store directory board now. It shows where all the different sections are located. Checking the store map saves us a lot of time.
Now we are in the fresh fruits section. Everything here looks so healthy and colorful. I love buying fresh food here because it gives us good health. I am choosing some red apples today. They are crisp and very sweet to eat. Eating one fresh apple every day is great for your mind and body. I am checking the price tag on the shelf now. Knowing the cost helps us stay within budget. It is always smart to check prices before buying items. Next, I need to pick some green vegetables. This fresh broccoli is full of good vitamins. Eating green veggies every day keeps our body fit and active. I am now walking to the dairy section. This is where I can buy fresh milk, eggs, and cheese. It is important to look at the best before date on all packs. I have found the cold milk here in the fridge. I prefer buying low-fat milk for myself and my family. This is one of our very basic daily food items. I am going to get some whole grain cereal for breakfast. Favorite brand on this shelf. Eating a healthy breakfast is the best way to start the day. I always read the nutritional information before buying packed food. It is important to check the sugar content. This helps me maintain a balanced and healthy daily diet.
I am now entering the warm bakery section. I can smell the delicious fresh bread in the air. It makes me feel very hungry. There are so many kinds of bread to choose from. I have found the bread I want. It is a fresh, brown loaf. I will put it into a paper bag to keep it soft and warm. It is perfect for making some sandwiches. I am now entering the vibrant clothing department. I want to check out some light summer shirts and trendies today. It is always fun to explore new fashion items. I am touching the soft fabric of this nice shirt. Finding comfortable clothes is very important to me. I think this bright color will look really great on hot summer days. I am checking the size tag on this stylish shirt now. Finding the right size ensures a comfortable fit. It is always wise to double-check the label before you pay. I have gathered all my groceries and clothes in the cart. Now it is time to head toward the main checkout counter. Let us pay for these wonderful items quickly. I am placing all my chosen items on the conveyor belt now. Placing groceries neatly helps the cashier scan everything faster. Our shopping trip is almost finished. The store cashier is scanning each item one by one. I can see the total amount appearing on the register screen. Watching the process is always very smooth and quick. I am asking if there are any special discounts today. I also scanned my store loyalty card. Saving a little extra money is always a great feeling. I am paying for my groceries using my debit card now. Tap and pay makes buying things super fast and safe. Digital payments save a lot of time at the cash register. My shopping trip is all done. It was very easy to find everything I needed today. Learning these simple English words makes shopping very simple and fast. Before I leave the store, I must thank the friendly staff. Being polite to the people who help us is very important. Always say thank you with a very kind smile. I have collected 5 large bags full of groceries. I always bring reusable bags to help the environment. Bringing your own bags is smart and eco-friendly. I hope you enjoyed this simple shopping lesson. Remember to practice these English words. Now I am walking home happily. See you on the next exciting trip.